In today's video, I would like to give a quick review of my empties of May 2022. I will start with cleansers, serums, creams, finish with hair care and body care, and also sunscreen. So let's get into it. Also, I'm going to keep my reviews very short and sweet. So this one is the best cleansing oil together with other Japanese cleansing oil that I love by Kose. This one is by Dear Klairs Gentle Black Fresh Cleansing Oil. It contains only 6 ingredients. It doesn't have a scent. It removes makeup, sunscreen, and everything without giving any residue or film on my face. Highly recommended. Next one is the Glow Serum with vitamin C. It's a Ren Clean Skin Care. This one is actually pretty nice, and I think it's also pricey, but I get it as a PR for the review. And the only con that I had is that it smelled a little bit like plasticky or like fake citrus scent, but in general it was very moisturizing and felt like glowy but without greasy finish. So this one is actually was pretty good one. The cream that I finished is actually duo cream, which contains gel cream and also the cream which is more moisturizing with ceramide and pea for like dry parts of your face. Gel cream is more like for oily T-zone. I enjoy most of the part is ceramide cream because I feel like my combination skin is more on dry side. So this one is by Exi Cera Heart My Type Duo Cream. Like I said, I love the ceramide and pea cream more than the gel cream. I applied gel cream before the ceramide MP cream or sometime in the morning when I'm in the rush. The gel cream was pretty like super lightweight and it doesn't leave a residue or greasy finish, so I would say that it's really like for oily skin type. You also can use, for example, like in the morning is gel cream and in the evening is the ceramide cream. I also finished a couple of the Pimple Patches. So this one I think is by Hero Cosmetics. It's actually not written what it is, but I think this one was like a nose strip or something. I don't remember. So this one is actually was the big rectangular pimple patch that you can apply, like for example on your chin or like starting from here all the way here. So this is what I finished. And then I tried for the first time is the Zitsticka. Very popular Australian brand. This one is Killa Spot Clarifying Microdart Patch for early stage zits. So this one I would recommend to use more on cystic acne that is not yet a whitehead. If you feel like your pimple is still so deep inside, it also wouldn't work. Like you maybe will need to use like 2 or 3 of this, but it's also very pricey. I think it was like $30 or $40 or something. And it's also very wasteful packaging because this one is one bag and inside there is a tray. So here is the tray, and then there is like a film that used for placing the pimple patch. So I would recommend maybe for less wasteful packaging and more affordable is by Hero Cosmetic Microdart Pimple Patches. They look pretty similar, and actually many microdart patches that I tried, they were made in Korea, so I'm sure that they may be made even by the same manufacturer. It's just, they sold by different brands in different packaging. And also Zitsticka recommends to use like pads that you swipe across your spot, like clean it, but this one contains alcohol and it actually feels kind of drying. So this one kind of like antibacterial treatment before you put the microdart patch. Microdart patch works as this microdarts. They poke your skin, like say your spot just a little bit, like tingling, I would say, and then overnight, for example, those microdarts will dissolve and they will help your pimple to turn into whitehead. And then when it's whitehead, you will put like traditional hydrocolloid patch on the top of that. I also finished 3 sunscreen in May 2022. So this one is discontinued version. I actually reviewed this sunscreen on my channel before. So this one by Make Prem Low Irritant Mineral Sun Milk for Soothing Care. There is another version of this sunscreen, but it's more creasier for my skin. It was nice on the body, the newer version. This one is matte finish and it's not so drying, I would say. I enjoy the sunscreen, but since it's open like since May 2021, so I finished it just recently by applying it on the body. I'm so sad. I wish Make Prem will be back to the sunscreen again. Then I finished Bliss Block Star. It's also one of my favorite sunscreen, except the shade that is a little bit off for my skin tone. But in terms of texture and how it wears, it's just amazing sunscreen. It's also affordable. You can get it at Target. It's just not my shade and smells a little bit like lavender. I also finished one of the Japanese sunscreen. It's by Suncut Water in UV Protects Essence SPF 50 plus PA+++. So I found out that this sunscreen was expiring in March 2021 and 2022, and I bought it like last year on Yestel, and sometimes Yestel has like clearance and a very good price, and most of the time Japanese sunscreen, Japanese skincare doesn't have an expiration date, so you kind of need to look up by yourself. I actually found out that it was expired this year in March, so I rushed to use it. This one was nice sunscreen. It's moisturizing and it gives a little bit like glowy finish if I don't apply like other skincare even, but it stunned my eyes like badly. I couldn't do anything. Like even if I don't apply it too close to my eyes, it still moves like if I sweat or wear glasses or something. But in general, it's amazing sunscreen. I also use it on my body. It's melting like butter, like literally I cannot even hold it in my hands, like it's just melting when I'm dispensing it. And then I have a couple of products for body care and hair care. So this one is by Eva NYC Smooth Fights Freeze Anti-Humidity Satin Cream Smoothing Shampoo. I finished conditioner from this line and it was amazing. My hair was the smoothest and the softest ever I had, but the shampoo doesn't work for my hair. Like I will get crazy hair maybe like next day. Like I wash it today and then tomorrow in the morning I will wake up and my hair is already feels crazy. Maybe my hair is just too oily for this shampoo. Yes, it's smoothing the hair. Hair is less frizzy, but on the top right here, like on the roots, my hair looks very bad. Another conditioner that I love so much and it's inexpensive, it's by Pantene Pro V Healthy Lengths 72-hour Breakage Defense Conditioner. So this conditioner smells really nice, like I like it, like maybe most of the Pantene products. And it's kind of like thick conditioner, and I love to deep condition my hair. Like for example, I wash my hair and then I squeeze the water and then I apply conditioner, then I wear like a hair towel. Actually I have like a hair hat towel, and then I can wear it up to 30 minutes and then I just rinse it. You can rinse it in the sink as well. Like try this hack and you will love how soft your hair will feel like. And the last two products for this video are for body care. So this one is by Medicude and it's red body wash. So this one, what I didn't like is that it smells like baby products, like some baby diapers or baby powder or something like that. It's with salicylic acid and it's supposed to be for acne prone skin, so it can feel a little bit drying. Like I wouldn't use it that often. It lasted me like a very long time, and I think I opened it like, I don't know, in 2021. I had to finish a long time ago, but yeah, it lathers up very nicely, very soft foam. It just can be drying because it's with salicylic acid. So this one is Brave Body Deep Scrub. So this scrub smells a little bit like, it's mostly like for men, but brand says that it's unisex, so that means that it can be used for women and men. It actually smells nice when it's combined with the steam from the shower. Like the room smells very nice. It has fresh scent, I would say. I didn't get any irritation or anything, and I love the texture. So it's like sugar scrub with a little bit of coffee beans. So in general, it was a nice experience, and this is my second bottle actually. All the products that I mentioned in this video, I will leave links to the reviews if I have on my Instagram page. You can find me at Anna Mishu blog, and you can read full reviews of some of the products. And thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next videos. And don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next videos, and bye bye.